Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Mrs. Zobe Suhail is here. Class 9, unit number 6, exercise 6.3. I have started question number 2. 1 to 4 part I have uploaded in the last video. This one I'm starting with the part number 5. The part number 5 of finding the square root from the division method. So let me make the division sign first for finding the square root. This part having fractions. Okay, x square over y square. So we have to write very carefully minus 10 x over y plus 27 minus 10 y by x plus y square over x square. Okay, the procedure of writing of solving the question is exactly the same. That what we have to do, that factorize the first term into exactly two same terms or two same factors, means x square over y square, exactly two factors. X square can be as x into x fraction, y square as y into y. So one we will write in the divisor place and one factor we will write at the quotient place. Okay, so it's done. X square of y over y square, when we subtract our this factor cancel. Okay, bring the next pair down. Bring this next pair down, minus 10 x over y plus 27. Now what we have to do, we have to add them, add and write over here as the first term. As these factors are in the fraction form, so it's better if we can add over here. Okay, we know that in the addition, if the terms are same, if the terms are like term, so we are adding their coefficients. 1 plus 1, 2x over y. Okay, if we are considering them as one variable, so 1 plus 1, 2 times the same variable, so it is 2 times x over y. To obtain the second term for divisor and quotient, what we will do, divide the first term by the first term. So divide minus 10 x over y divide by 2 x over y. This complete expression or factor cancel with complete x over y. Minus will be as a whole 10 divided by 2, 5. So this minus 5 we will write in quotient and in divisor. Now this term minus 5 obtained multiplied to the complete divisor, that is 2x over y minus 5. The product we will write here, minus 5 2s are 10 x over y minus minus plus 5 5s are 25. In each step you must be careful that the first term have to be same to each other. Okay, so when you subtract, it has to be cancelled. Okay, 27 minus 25, 2, and now bring this complete pair here down. 10 y by x plus y square over x square. Same procedure will continue. The first term we will bring as it is, 2 times x over y. Yeah, the second and second now added up to give you the second term, minus 5 and minus 5 add to give you minus 10. Yes. Third term, how you will obtain, divide the first term by the first term. So divide 2 by 2 times x over y. 2 cancel, and this x over y, reciprocal of x over y means 1 over x by y. It means reciprocal of this, we will write y by x. Okay, so y by x we will write here in divisor and in quotient. Now this new term will be multiplied to the complete divisor, that is 2x over y minus 10 plus y by x. So product you can write directly over here. Y by x multiply by 2. Y by cancel, x cancel, and answer will be only 2, which you will write here. Minus 10 times y over x plus y times y, y square, x times x, x square. This is the final term, so all the terms will be equal and opposite sign. After subtraction, they will give you 0 remainder. So hence, the given expression have this as the square root. So square root thus obtained, we can write this square root as the plus minus of the x over y minus 5 plus y over x is required square root obtained. Okay. Hopefully you understand this question. Let me revise this once again. That what is the number over here? We have to divide the number exactly into two factors, out of which one factor we are writing here, one over here. When multiply these two factors, write over here. Subtract, they will be cancelled and they have to be cancelled. Okay. Bring the next complete pair down. Okay. For the second step, you will deal with the two terms. First step, one term. Second step, two terms. Third step, three terms. So first step, one term we find out the square root of the first term. Now bring a pair down, add them, write down the first term. Divide first term by first term to get the second term. Okay. After getting the second term, divide the complete second term with the complete divisor to write down over here. Do subtraction and then bring the next pair down. Again repeat the steps. That first term is already added, write that as it is. Now second term, add second term. To get the third term from here, divide first term by first term to get the third term. Write down third term divisor and quotient both. Quotient third term, multiply by the complete divisor and write down over here. And hence do the subtraction. Your square root method is done and you find out the square root of the given expression. So I will start the question number 3 also now in the same video. In the question number 3, they said that find out the value of k such that the given expression is a perfect square. It means if it is a perfect square, we will solve the square root with the square root method, then the remainder must be equal to 0. So let's continue with the same method. That exactly 2 equal factor for 4 is 2 times 2. x4 is x square into x square. So they are giving on the product 4x4. Subtract, bring the next term down, next pair of terms down. Okay, and then add them to get the first term, 4x square. Divide first term by first term over here. Divide first term by the first term, 4x square. You get minus 3x. Write down minus 3x as the second term for quotient and second term for divisor. Now, this term will be multiplied to the complete divisor, which you make now. In product, you can write here minus 3 4s are 12x cube minus minus plus 3 3s are 9x square. Subtract 37 minus 9. 17 minus 9, 8. Here left 2 x square. And then bring the pair down. Minus 42x plus k. So first term will be as it is. Now second term and second term you will add to give you minus 6x. Third term is obtained how? By dividing the first term by the first term. Like here I do division of first term by the first term. So make a line. Then 28x square divide by 4x square. So 4 7s are 28. X square cancel. So this is your third term. 7 plus 7. Now this third term multiply by the complete divisor you obtain. 7 4s are 28. X square minus 7 6 are 42. X plus 7 7s are 49. Write down over here 28 x square minus 42 x plus 49 and subtract minus plus minus cancel. So this is k minus 49 left. This is the remainder and remainder have to be 0 as the given polynomial given expression they ask that it is a perfect square, so the remainder must be equal to 0. When we are putting the remainder equal to 0, so the value of k thus obtained is equals to 49. Bring 49, I shift the 49 over this from this side over here, minus 49 change to plus 49, and the value of k thus obtained, or your question is solved in this way. Okay, in the next part, we have to find out the square root of this and again find out the value of k over here. Same, x4 factorize as x square, x square. So they multiply to give you x square, x4 subtract, cancel, bring the next pair down, minus 4x cube plus 10x square. And along with that, add them to get the first term. X square plus x square add up to give you 2x square. Now divide first term by the first term. Okay. Minus 4x cube over 2x square is equal to minus 2x. Minus 2x here, minus 2x here. Okay. Now this newly made factor will be multiplied to complete divisor. 2x square minus 2x. So you will get minus 4x cube minus minus plus 2 2's are 4, x into x, x square. Subtract now, cancel, 10 minus 4, 6x square. Bring the complete factor down, minus kx plus 9. Now this is already added up, 2x square. Now the second term and second term add up, minus 4x. For the third term, divide first term by first term again. 6x square divided by 2x square, you obtain 3. Write down 3 as the third term for quotient and divisor both, and then multiply this 3 with the complete divisor. 2x square minus 4x plus 3. Okay, so the product of these terms we can write down here. 3 2's are 6x square minus 3 4's are 12x and plus 3 3's are 9. Subtract it. Subtract, subtract. Cancel. This is cancelling. Here minus k and plus 12 left as a remainder. And you know that minus k plus 12 is equals to 0. Remainder is 0 as given expression is a perfect square. Perfect square. So that's why when we are looking for the square root, its remainder must be 0. So hence remainder must be 0. When we are putting it 0, we can find out the value of k. Here k is negative. I want to shift k on the other side. It will become positive, and thus we obtain the value of k also. So it's done until here. Okay. The next part is also again same to same, but in that part we have to look for the value of L and M. Let's do that. Okay, this is the question number 4. You have to find out the value of L and M, and for the first time in this question I'm writing the question directly and not writing the working area over here. So you need to find out the working area by yourself. Okay, so x4 factorize x square, x square. How I'm doing factorization, you can do it over here. Now multiply and get x4, subtract 0, get the next pair down, add them to get this first factor, divide first factor by first factor. So 4 divided by 2 is 2 and x cube divided by x square is x. Write down this term over here also and multiply this term with complete divisor. So when you are multiplying it with complete 2x, you are getting the answer over here. 2 2's are 4, x cube plus 2 2's are 4, x square. Subtract. 16 minus 4, 12x square. Now bring the pair down, plus lx plus m. Okay. Now the third term, in the third step, first term will remain as it is. Second term will be obtained by adding this to this, plus 4x. Third term you have to obtain by dividing first term by first term. So 12 divided by 2 is 6 answer. X square divided by x square, cancel. So this is plus 6. This term you will write here also and multiply this term with the complete divisor and write down over here. Okay, 6 2s are 12, x square plus 6 4s are 24, x plus 6 6 are 36. At this step you will do the subtraction. Okay, so this one is cancel, this one L minus 24 x, and this one plus m minus 36. As this is the complete remainder, and you know that remainder each term must be equal to 0, so it means that L minus 24 x must be equal to 0, so L minus 24 equal to 0, so L is equal to 24. Means the coefficient of x must be equal to 0. It's better if we don't write the x over here. After that, this one m minus 36 constant term should also be equal to 0, and in this way m value equal 36. So ln m is obtained in this way. Second part is also can be solved in the same way. Let me explain it on a very fast pace. Okay, 49, so 7 7s are 49. x4 factorize as x square. Now multiply them to get this. Okay, subtract, cancel, bring the pair down, minus 70x cube plus 109x square. Add them, 7 plus 7, 14x square. Okay, divide this by this. When you divide it, minus 14 5s are 70. X cube divided by x square, x obtained. Write down this term over here and multiply this complete with exactly minus 5x. So minus 70x cube in so minus plus 5 5s are 25x square. When we do subtraction, first term have to be cancelled. Subtraction, 9 minus 5 4, 10 minus 2 8 x square. Bring the next pair down, minus lx minus m. Divide first term by first term. First bring the first term down. Minus 5x and minus 5x add to give you the second term, minus 10x. For the third term now, divide first term by first term. 14 6 times 84 plus 6. X square divided by x square, cancel. So plus 6 we will write here also, and complete will multiply by 6. Okay. So 6 14s are 84 x square minus 6 10s are 60x plus 6 6 are 36. Subtract, cancel, minus L plus 60 are the coefficients of x, and minus m and minus 36 are constant number. Again, we can give the same reason for this one as given expression is a complete square, complete perfect square. That's why, so remainder must be 0. If the remainder is 0, so each term of the remainder must be 0. It means that this is equal to 0, minus L plus 60 equals to 0. So 60 is equal to, I will shift this on the other side, it will become positive. So L is equal to 60. And constant term minus m minus 36 equals to 0. So minus 36 stay here. I will shift minus m on the other side. It will become positive m. So m is equal to minus 36, and the question is solved. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz. Inshallah, the last part I will solve in the next video. Allah Hafiz.